In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using virtual or how you can install any operating system virtually using VirtualBox from Oracle. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so you may want to go ahead and install a different operating system virtually while maintaining your own current operating system and then run it virtually. To do this, you'll need a virtual machine, and one of the best is Oracle VirtualBox. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and download this VirtualBox, and to do so, you will need to go ahead and open any browser and then just search for VirtualBox, and here it is, and it will take you to this website. And we have VirtualBox here. So to download, just go ahead and click on download here and then choose your platform, that is the current operating system you are using. For my case, I'm on Windows. Just click on it and it will proceed and download this VirtualBox. Once the download is done, you'll be able to see an icon for the VirtualBox on your computer. From here, now go ahead and open it, and it will take you to this interface where you have to choose whether you want to start with basic mode or expert mode. So for a starter, just go ahead and choose basic mode, and then to run it, you need to use these three options called file, machine, and help. Now before you can go ahead and install any operating system, maybe you are on Windows. For my case, I'm on Windows and I'd like to go ahead and install Mac OS. I'll need to have the Mac OS file on my computer or somewhere maybe in a device. I'll need to have a file that contains that Mac OS software or program. To get started, just go ahead and click on this machine and then choose new here. Alternatively, you can see we have new option here. So go ahead and click on new, and this will go ahead and open a new virtual machine window that will help us give the virtual machine a name. For instance, this is Mac. I want to install Mac OS. And then I'll have to go ahead and choose the folder that contains the Mac OS on my computer here. And you can simply do this by just tapping on this drop down arrow and then go to your computer, choose the folder where you want to install this. You have your folder and it will be loaded to your computer. Once you are done, now you can proceed from here by clicking on next until you get to the end and finish by installing your desired program or operating system. So that's how you can use VirtualBox to install any operating system virtually using VirtualBox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.